We've been making handmade ornaments for so many years now that most of our Christmas decor has been made by hand and crafted, and it's kind of fun to put it all together and see all the things that we've made.
In today's video, we're going to show you how we decorate Christmas here at the farmhouse.
We used a lot of IOD, JRV decoupage paper, and paint. I especially love all the metallics, so you'll see a lot of copper patina and golden ticket on my ornaments. I always love a good garland. I found these at the thrift store, I think for like $1, and it came with some gold beads, and I felt like they're just a little bit of jewelry for the Christmas tree. We changed our tree location this year and put it in front of the window, so basically all sides can be seen. So we had to decorate all the way around the tree, whereas years before we just decorate what you can see. If you've got a partner, it really makes helping the garland go all the way around so much easier. Garland is always the last thing that we do, and then we fix the ornaments once the garland's been placed and we're done.
This is a new location because we have the new hutch here in the dining room. We're going to put the nativity right here because it just goes perfect.
So I could not find our stockings from last year, the grain sacks, so we used a few that I made before. I'm not a very good seamstress, but they're still held together. One of my favorite things, though, is the stocking holders. They're actually just soup cans that we DIY'd with golden ticket, IOD molds, and JRV decoupage paper, and then we just used some old reclaimed knobs. We filled the inside with cement so they're nice and heavy, so no matter how much we put in the stockings, they will stay put. Our fireplace is not functional, but eventually we're hoping to get an insert that fits, that works in a non-functional fireplace. My dad didn't really enjoy spending money at Christmas, but he loved to sit by the tree, which is why we decided to put a little picture of him to remind us of my dad at Christmas time.
We made this Merry Christmas garland a few years ago, or banner, maybe it's a banner, I don't know. But it's got old book pages and IOD stamps on there. And we haven't hung it up for a couple years, and not in this house. So we're going to be putting it up over the entryway. And it's really got a lot of room here. We could probably put a bigger banner, so maybe we'll DIY that next year.
We like to add pops of greenery just to add the Christmas influence, I guess. But we also have the mistletoe, and Zeb and I had much debate over where it would go, so that way him and the other tall boys that come in our house would not hit their heads. We finally settled on just above the door jamb, and Zeb can clear it. His brother might have to duck, but it'll be all right. This year we got in the prettiest grain sack stripe runners, and I've been waiting to use it. Zeb ironed it up for me, and we just went simple. We placed our Advent candle holder situation that Zeb made last year on top of it, and then we added dollar store candles. We have a tradition where we light one candle every night and read a scripture, and the kids do Advent with us. Thanks for following along on our Christmas tour this year. If you guys have any DIY and crafting you need, visit JamiRayVintage.com. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.